So every day I day trade the markets. You know me by now, guys. I'm a day trader. I trade the morning move. I start trading at 6:30 every morning, and I'm trying to get finished before 9 a.m. for a day's money. I love that way of trading. I've been doing that for many, many years. However, not everyone can day trade the markets. But also, what I like to do every single week on a Monday evening with my students, I like to do a case study. I like to do a trade that we're all focusing on for 1 to 3 weeks. So that's sort of like swing trading the markets. Look, not everyone can day trade. So this 3,000, nearly 4,000 pound trade on cotton. Now, I'm not a cotton trader, but let's walk through the reason why I took the trade and why this was our case study for this week. And you've seen me do other case studies with the euro dollar, multiple £1,000s profit on a weekly case study signal with our color method. So let's take a little look at cotton here. Now, this is the weekly time frame. So we start always on the weekly chart. There's no point starting on an hourly chart because we're looking for 1 to 3 weeks worth of, or maybe even longer, to stay in this trade, okay? And we want to do less and make more on the trade. So it's a trade we don't want to be looking at every 2 minutes. It's a trade that we want to just look at once a day. So this is the arrow here with our color method. This is called the trend predictor. What this tells us is that next week, before it actually happens, so this week, that the market price could go up in this market, okay? So if it's a green arrow, it means up the next candlestick. In this case, the weekly time frame, so we're looking for it to go up before it happens, okay? So you're doing the scanning at the weekend, you're looking for these types of setups. And then that's step number 1 with the color method, right? There was one here, one here, one here. Now, these two here didn't seem like it went up the week after. And this one didn't go up the week after. This one, it did go up the week after. We're up for 2 weeks here. This one here is working perfectly. I'm up 1,900 on this position, 1,067 and 1,080 as we speak. This is a live trade. It's going through right now. And it is live. All right. So let's then go into the trigger. So we've got 2 time frames we're going to match up here. We're going to go to the weekly, which we're already at. And then we're going to go down to the 1 hour chart. All right. So here's the 1 hour time frame. So the start of this week, there's Monday. Okay. It was red and down on the color method. That means there's no buy signal, because if I'm looking for it to go up this week, all I want to concentrate on is green. Okay, green. So I want to find a green buy signal. I get a buy signal here, and I get the storyteller pointing up, giving us a buy signal. Then I get the tracks that are running underneath here. These are the 3 dots, and this is the backbone of the color method. All right, so we buy here, and as you can see, I started buying here. I added in here. I added in here. My stop placement now, you know, I can just move my stop up, lock in these profits on all these trades. All right, so that's it. That is it. It's as simple as that. Weekly time frame for the signal. 1 hour time frame for the trigger. Now, if you can't get to your screens and look at a 1 hour time frame, you can set some alerts up on your mobile. You can do this on your mobile phone. We've got our software on the mobile. You could be anywhere waiting for that trigger and send an email or an alert notification to your phone when that actually sets up. All right, so very nice indeed. And guys, look, I've been doing these case studies for years. My first one was pretty much when oil went from $47 to $147 back in the time. Okay, it was a huge move, and that's when I really started scaling into trades, and it can really push the account up, and you're doing very little for it with the color method. So this weekend it's coming, it's here now, and I'll be looking for the next one. Okay, now profit targets on this one are all done for us. Okay, so let me show you the profit targets. So I've just turned them on right now, and you can see that we've got profit targets on the weekly at 73, 72, 80, and then the big one up here, which will be a 9 to 4 risk reward ratio here. So risking 1 to make 9.4 return, guys. That's massive. So these are the targets. It looks like it's going to get there. Okay, and so we've got a lovely flat storyteller here. It's likely to do a big move. We're not in a small move territory here. This is a big move territory, and this could really explode. And so I will exit on a weekly chart. So I use the week. So I can be in these for several weeks, guys. Who knows? It might just shoot up to the first target today, which is 73.72. But until it gets there, I do nothing. All right. So I'm just following the procedure. And if you follow the procedure, take yourself out of it, take yourself out of the trade, because look, all you've got is the strategy, all you've got is your procedure here and your set of rules. If you start changing those and start thinking about things on gut feeling, then you're not going to sit on these trades and get these big profitable trades. There's an art to sitting in big profitable trades. You don't want to stand in your own way with these trades, guys. You want to get out the way, and the way you do that is just just move away. Don't look at the trades. Try not to look at your P&L on here, okay, and just forget the P&L. All right. And I think if we start to break above 69.85, I will certainly start to add more to this trade and see if we can get up to that 73.72 as we go here, guys. All right. So we'll see how we get on. It's just starting. And we're still getting our first green pro trading system on the weekly chart. But remember, we're not using the weekly for our entry. We're using the 1 hour time frame for our entry. And if you do that 3 or 4 times, you get really good at it. Practice it. And yeah, it's a lovely way of trading. It's a lovely way of ramping that account higher, getting it higher, increasing the account. Instead of just going for 10, 20 points here, there and everywhere as a day trader, then you could really go in here and get these big moves. And there's always one setting up. All right, so maybe we'll talk about some of those in the future. But if you join us on Scan Club on Monday night in the Color Method program, then guys, you'll be in this trade with us. All right, hope it helps. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're watching this on YouTube, and I'll speak to you soon.